Hi, Jenny. Rebecca here. I really enjoyed reading your initial draft of your analysis of the book, The Pearl. I was pleased that you chose this book. I really love this one. And I think you pulled out really key, important pieces of information that we could call themes in the story to focus on. So here are a few questions. As promised, in this first round of feedback, I'm simply offering questions to help you go back and write your second draft and deepen some of the ideas that you brought into this first draft. So here are some of my questions for you. You talked about Kino's strong wish for his son Coyotito to learn to read and to get an education. He believes that learning to read, these are your words, will change everything for Coyotito. That is such a key element of the book. And so what I'd like to do is ask you to expand on both of these ideas that you brought up. The community is awed by Kino's announcement that he wants to use the money from selling the pearl to buy school uniforms and pay for schooling for his son. Both of these are, I think, filled with symbolic meanings as well as very concrete meanings for Kino and also for his neighbors and friends in the community. So here are some questions that could help you expand on these ideas. First, what does Coyotito's education symbolize to Kino? There are a lot of brief references to Kino imagining and hoping for change as he pictures his son becoming able to read. So these stories, I think, give a lot of clues about what education may represent to Kino, and then also to the community. And how do racism and oppression tie in here? Many of these stories connect to breaking free, to freedom, and that's a clue to the community's sense of oppression. And how does the Padre's sermon reflect and reinforce the social order in this culture? How does this tie in to this whole symbolism of learning to read? So if you can take a few moments to stop the video and read through these questions and use them if they seem to fit what you were going for. Use them to deepen and expand the themes in your first draft of this analysis. Let me know if this brings up questions. I look forward to seeing you in class and discussing it further as well.